Feels all right.
Where are you at, buddy? Swing her this way. We'll walk up on that shoreline.
Did you shorten up and go over there?
Dude, first cast. First freaking cast.
Sick. Oh, that's a pretty one. That fish is in good shape.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Let's go.
Wow, yeah, she's fat, dude. Nice.
Beautiful.
Right up over. Yep. So reel down on it. Reel down. There you go. Let him go. Let him go. Get that rod out into the water. Don't point it out. There you go. Reel. Lift, lift, lift. Come down to the bead. Pull him back. Now up. No, no, no. Lift that off. There we go. Friend. Woo! Good job, bud. 1 second here. There we go. Well, I can already tell you the wrong way. I learned it with him.
Hey, I didn't hit nothing.
Neither did I.
Hey, you didn't keep up. This is where you need to pay attention.
Yeah, this is where you want to be looking. Matt, come up on the other side of the street and lay your off there. That's a shine.
Yeah, it was good.
Green bead.
Oh, yeah.
That was so hard to pitch under that tree.
Right here?
Oh my, no, I pitched all the way over there from the shoreline.
No way.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Bring it in, dude.
Fucking A.
Here, you're gonna hold it with the bead in there. We'll get pictures with the bead in it, and then drop it back in your net.
Okay, hold them there.
Because that's how you do good pictures with the bead in it.
Let's go.
Brad, you had that on the boat the whole time?
Yeah.
I put that on the fucking end of my boat.
Don't fucking touch my boat with that shit. What was that?
Wiener.
Ryan did it the hot dog. Yeah, Ryan's got my meat in his hand.
Yo!
It's a wiener war!
Yo, I don't have anything to throw at.
Friendly fire, bro.
Reel down to that bead. Keep that rod bent. Don't point it at her. Yep. Keep her in the water. Don't let her spin out. Perfect. There we go. So you get her again. Reel down to that bead. Let's take it. Bring right over my head. Put her in the hook. Attaboy. That's actually nice. She's tight too.
This one might get the fucking club.